Hey guys, welcome to the second episode. In this series where we are talking about कि भाई how do we make your player from absolute scratch to someone that you actually want to be, जो तुम्हारी dating life sorted and all of that shit. ठीक है. First module पे we talked about how to socialize. Second module पे we talked about how to basically be charming in front of the people, how to basically be a charming individual. And now in this module we are talking about RIZ, like clear attraction building. कि attraction कैसे build करते हैं, लड़कियों से कैसे बात करते हैं, लड़कियों को कैसे attract करते हैं. Today we are going to talk about attraction, what attraction is and like क्या चीज़ होती है attraction, थोड़ा सा जानना, right? So भाई सबसे पहले तो attraction का मतलब समझ लो. Attraction क्या चीज़ होती है? Attraction happens between two different sides, different poles, right? Magnets में north pole, south pole, ठीक है? Electrodes में positive, negative. So basically when there are two opposites, right? Two extreme opposites, there is attraction. तो different poles होते हैं, कह लो different polarities होती हैं, उससे attraction होती है. Similarly भाई गेम में भी या फिर कह लो when it comes to man and women, the attraction works the same way. It's a man and a woman. Result is attraction. Isn't it weird? इतना simple, but you're like कि भाई नहीं हम हमारे साथ तो नहीं हो रहा because we are men, then why are we not attracting women? Because भाई यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ हो रही है ना, यहाँ पे there is some other thing that play. But at the core, women are attracted to men, men are attracted to women. अब all that factors in here is how clearly are you able to express the fact that you're a man and she's a woman, right? So in game कह लो या in the skill set of cold approaching या फिर in the skill set of game on an overall, हमारा पूरा का पूरा पर्पज सिर्फ इस साइड होता है भाई कि we have to convey very clearly to the girl that we are a man and she's a girl. अब it might sound very weird कि क्या बोल रहा है, कन्वे करना है, वो तो हम हैं, मैं ऑलरेडी बंदा हूँ, ऑलरेडी बंदी है, नहीं. Because what happens is, this is what you'll notice. Have you guys noticed, जो जितने बंदे फ्रेंड जोन होते हैं उनके साथ ये हुआ होगा. Have you guys noticed कि ये होता है कि तुम जब बंदी के पास जाते हो ना, the girl is almost imposing. It's like कि the girl is the power and ऐसा लग रहा है तुम्हें कि तुम दब रहे हो बंदी के आगे. तुम अपने पसंद की बात नहीं कर पाते, तुम उसको ये नहीं बोल पाते कि अरे यहाँ पे नहीं यहाँ पे चलते हैं, या फिर तुम उसको ये नहीं बोल पाते कि अरे नहीं नहीं जैसे तुम्हें कुछ फालतू बोल रहे हो तुम वापस नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, या तुम्हें वो डांट रही है या फिर तुम्हें बोल रही है ऐसा करते हैं और तुम उसका उल्टा नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, राइट? It all actually is about your personality and the way you talk. ठीक है. तो when I say कि भाई you have to very clearly convey कि you are a guy and she's a girl, this is what I actually mean. You have to set it very clearly in front of her कि भाई I am the man and you are the woman. ठीक है. And इस तरीके का डायनामिक सेटअप होना चाहिए because right now the way you are behaving, जैसे मैंने कहा, you are the woman and she's the man. This is how you're behaving. Actually, the truth is obviously you are the man, she's the woman. But the way you are behaving, it's almost like you are the woman and she's the man. So, game में हमें क्या करना होता है? As soon as you enter any interaction, you have to fucking set it very clearly कि भाई I am the guy and you are the girl. ठीक है? I am going to set rules and you are going to follow them. And she has the liberty. She has all the fucking liberty. We do not force anything on anyone. She has full liberty. She has a full choice of walking away. So do you. Because most of the guys think कि मैं जहाँ बाहर नहीं छोड़ के नहीं जा सकता है, फिर मैं I can not leave. You can leave whenever you want. The door is fucking open, and that's why she leaves when she wants to. Because उसके केस में she's in power. She's the man of the relationship. So attraction happens when there are two poles. Positive, negative, north, south, man, woman. ठीक है? तो you on your part just have to create a masculine pole, and she will become the feminine pole. That is the whole gist of attraction. So attraction happens between opposites and you have to be a man so that she can take the role of a woman. Right now it's not happening because you both are taking, basically you are taking the role of a woman and she's taking the role of a man. Okay, it's the ulta. Okay. So yeah, pretty much this, guys. As an action item, I would suggest you try to notice, try to be conscious. अब सरप्राइजिंगली ना अभी जो आने वाले कुछ वो होने वाले हैं अपने ये लाइक सीरीज में वीडियोस, इन सब में तुम्हें नोटिस करने को और अवेयरनेस लाने को ही कहूँगा बिकॉज दैट इज काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड हियर, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इवन अवेयर की सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. तो फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन ट्राई टू नोटिस कि इन ऑल द इंट्रैक्शंस ना दैट यू आर हैविंग विद वुमेन, यू आर बेसिकली अज्यूमिंग द रोल ऑफ अ वुमन एंड यू आर नॉट रियली स्पीकिंग अप. It's always the girl telling you things, the girl instructing you and everything. But you just don't feel it. You just don't feel masculine, you don't feel alpha. And वही सारी चीज़ें हमें यहाँ पे change करनी है. Hope this helped, guys. See you in the next one.